Cheese Omelette. Subscribe, like, share. Cheese, 3 eggs, cabbage, capsicum, green pepper, coriander. Mix the egg well. Add garbage. Add capsicum. Add green peppers. Add coriander. Mix everything well. Add salt to taste. Add black pepper to taste. Add chili flakes to taste. Mix all well. Use as much ghee oil as
Cook
needed
on medium
on the
heat
fry
flame.
pan. Cook until browned. Then add cheese in it. Spread well. Cover all sides and cook on low heat of flame until the cheese dissolves. Now put it on a plate. Serve hot and have fun. Thanks for watching.